Good morning, welcome to official RU compensation plan presentation video. Yes, again, I'm Wesley Bacate, your friend and your coach today. Before I explain in details na mabilisan ang compensation plan, I want to start on how you enter to RU business. To become a bona fide RU affiliate, you only need to avail our initial digital product, which is IHX Factor. So, isa lang ang gawin mo to enter the business, mag-avail ka ng product. Okay? Once na na-qualify ka sa RU affiliate, basically, isa lang ang gagawin mo just to promote your business link dahil nakaset up na ang account mo sa online sales funnel. Company na ang bahala from landing page, front-end offer, email marketing, product delivery, to commission system. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay i-promote ang iyong business link to a traffic like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Twitter, and Instagram. Maring ang tanong mo ay hindi ka marunong mag-promote ng iyong business link. Huwag kang mag-alala dahil mayroon tayong RU Steps to Success training video exclusive for RU members only. In that exclusive training video for RU members, ay matututunan mo ang proven strategy on how you promote your business link effectively. And that is step by step na kahit mahina ka sa computer, ay masusundan mo ito. Ang goal ng RU Affiliates Compensation Plan ay kikita ka ng unlimited 1,000 pesos, unlimited 400 pesos from your upline sales, unlimited 400 pesos from your downline sales, and unlimited 200 from your shared commission. That is every hour or daily. Papaano? This is a very simple commission plan and yet powerful that makes you earn million in a short period of time. So, to become an affiliate and earn unlimited income daily and use our free top secret system, you only need to avail the IHX Factor product for only 1,599 for now. Yes, that is for now. In the future, it may increase the price. Okay, here's the details of RU compensation plan. Example, you are now an affiliate of RU at nagsimula ka ng nag-promote or mag-promote ng yung business link sa Facebook. At nakita ito ni Roda, ang ads mo. Nagustuhan niya, nag-sign up siya sa referral link mo at nag-send ng payment via Palawan for the product. Your direct sales commission kay Roda is 1,000 pesos agad. Ganyan kalaki. Then, nakita rin ni Edna yung ads mo at nag-interest siya, nag-sign up siya sa referral link mo at nag-send ng payment via PayPal. Again, you earned 1,000 direct commission to Edna. Punta tayo kay Roda. Si Roda ay nakwento niya ang RU Affiliates business sa kanyang kaibigan na sina Jeffrey at Dong during break time sa kanyang work. Nagustuhan nila ang business kaya nag-sign up sila kaagad at nag-send ng payments. Si Roda ay kumita agad ng 2,000 pesos as a direct commission niya sa dalawa niyang kaibigan. Nabalitaan din ang ka-office mate niyang si Troy ang RU business at sumali din. Nag-sign up at nag-send ng payment. Dahil pang third direct ni Roda si Troy, ang first direct niya kasi ay si Jeffrey at ang second direct niya ay si Dong. Dito ngayon papasok ang goodwill commission. Ang 400 ay pass-up commission pupunta sa iyo bilang upline niya at another 400 pesos ay pass-down commission ay pupunta rin kay Jeffrey bilang unang direct ni Roda. At 200 pesos ang pupunta sa kanya bilang shared commission income niya. Ito ay nangyayari on the third direct. Okay, sa first direct ay 1,000 ang commission niya. Sa second direct ay 1,000 din ang commission niya. On the third direct, magkakaroon lang ng goodwill commission. Maganda ba o napakaganda? Siyempre, ito ay fair enough for you, also your upline, and also for your downline. Okay? So ituloy natin. Si Rhoda ay tuloy ang post niya sa Facebook at nakita ni Glo at Vicky. Nag-sign up sila at nag-send ng payments. Agad-agad kikita si Rhoda ng 2,000 direct commission niya kina Glo na pang 4th direct niya at kay Vicky na pang 5th direct niya. Nung nakita ni Grace ang ads ni Rhoda, nagustuhan din niya at nag-sign up agad at nag-send ng payment. Dahil si Grace ay pang-anim na direct ni Rhoda, ito ay goodwill commission ulit. 400 pesos ay pupunta ulit sa iyo bilang apply niya at 400 pesos ay pupunta kay Dong bilang second direct ni Rhoda at 200 kay Rhoda bilang shared commission. Kaya dito kahit tulog ka ay kikita ka because of your downline sales as well as your upline sales. Ito ay unlimited. Sa pang-7 na direct ni Rhoda ay 1,000 ang commission niya. Ganon din yung pang-8 direct niya ay 1,000 din. Sa pang-9 na sales or direct niya ay goodwill commission ulit. So ang interval sa goodwill commission ay multiple of 3. Na ang ibig sabihin ay sa 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on ay goodwill commission. Okay? So, wala hong katapusan yan. Okay? Imagine mo na lang na nakabuo ka na ng malaking group at lahat ay may sales every minute, every hour, at daily. Ibig sabihin lang yan, every minute ay may kita ka or every hour or daily. This commission plan is fair enough for you as the one who introduced the business to your direct and fair enough to your upcoming group members. Bukod sa IHX Factor product na only 1,599 ay magkakaroon ka rin ng sarili mong number 1, a business dashboard, number 2, business link, top secret system will be set up in your account, number 4, 4 steps to success training course. Ito yung susi para kumita ka ng malaki sa internet. At training website, of course magkakaroon ka niyan. Online coaching, ito po malaki po ang bayad dito pero free. Ito na ibibigay namin sa iyo. Online tips from Aryo community and bonus monthly products. So every month we have a bonus product. It might you're asking, what is the IHX Factor? Ito ay isang proven online training course. Mayroon siyang 11 videos, step-by-step teaching on how you could recruit, sponsor more downlines sa network marketing mo kung mayroon kang network marketing. Pero kung wala, it's okay lang po. Step-by-step how you could sell your products online effectively like food supplements, juice, t-shirt, bags, etc. And number 3, step-by-step, how you could promote your traditional business like barbershop, boutique, water station, and etc. Ako ay naniniwala na makakamtan mo ang pangarap mo if you know how to read numbers and time. Example, ang pangarap mo ay makapagpatayo ng magandang bahay. Pag sinabi nating magandang bahay sa panahon ngayon ay start ka ng 4 million pataas. Okay? Kung ikaw ay isang employee at earning 20,000 pesos per month, ilang taon kaya ang kailangan mo para makuha ang 4 million? Yan ay kulang-kulang na 17 years. Pero sa 17 years na yan, kung makain ka naman, bumibili ka ng mga personal needs mo at iba pa. Kaya sa palagay ko, ang maipon mo na lang yan is from 2,000 pesos to 5,000 pesos per month. Sige, sabihin na lang natin na 5,000 pesos per month ang naipon mo. So, how many years ang needs mo para magkaroon ka ng 4 million to buy house? Kailangan mo ng 67 long years. So, possible ba na makabili ka? Kaya, kailangan marunong kang bumasa ng number at time. So, every one of us needs business. Kasi, your salary should not the limit of your income. Halaga lang ng isang average brand na pantalon ang kailangan mo to start Aryo affiliate business. Contact the person who sent you this video and ask his or her affiliate link to sign in up para makapagsimula ka na sa business. So, ask now his/her affiliate link at makapagsimula na sa business na ito. Okay? So, God bless you. Ako po si Wesley Bacate.